Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be discussing current and voltage divider. So this is the equation of the voltage divider and this is the current divider. So let's draw a circuit and see how we can use this equation to find the voltage of across a resistor. So let's see if we have a circuit like this. So in this video, I'm drawing a simple circuit. Maybe the next video or to next video, I'm using more complicated circuit and see how we can use this equation. So let's say in this equation, we have a value of 3. And let's say this is a 2 and this is the R1, this is the R2, and let's say the voltage is 9 volt. And if we want to find the voltage across this resistor, so this is a R2. We use this equation as R2 and the total, because these are in series, we simply can add them together and say R1 plus R2 times voltage source. And let's change the color. So if we have 2 for the R2 and 2 plus 3 is 5 for the total resistance, and multiply by 9 and we get 3.6 3.6 volt. So we get a value of 3.6 for this portion. So let's say if we want to find the voltage across 3, so we need just rearrange R2. So we have 5 for the total resistance and 3 and this is a 9 volt. We get 5.4 volt. And if you see these two values, if add them together, we get 9, which is the voltage of the source. And as I explained in my previous videos, in this the current value in the circuit in with this resistors in series is the same. That means all the current is going through the circuit is the same. All right, let's see how we can use a current divider. All right, so let's see if we have a circuit like this, and let's say we have a value of 3 ohm here and a value of 2, exactly the same values for the previous circuit, and 9 volt for the voltage source. And if we want to find the let's see, if we want to find the current through this branch or through this branch, how we can use this equation. And as you know, the value of current from here, which is the current source, is different than these two. If we say this is a current source and this is a I1 and this is a I2. And let's see how we can use the current for the first branch or I1. All right. So let me change to the blue. All right. So first we need to find the current, the total current or current source. And in order to find it, we need to find the total resistance. And the total resistance is R1 plus times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. And this is a multiplication. And you get 6 divided by 5 and a value of 1.2 ohm. So if this is the total resistance, we need to find the current source in order to find each individual current. So for the current source, we simply can use the Ohm's law, which is I equals to V 1 point or R equals to this is a 9 divided by 1.2, which is 7.5 ampere for the current source. All right, so we have the current source is 7.5. And if we want to find the current for current 1 and current 2, we can use the equation and say we need to find I for 3 ohm equals to the total resistance is 1.2 and the resistance of this branch is 3 multiplied by 7.5 and you get a value of 3.6 ampere. And for this branch, you can use exactly the same. The only difference is here you need to change the resistance of that branch, which is I for 2 ohm equals to 1.2 ohm, and this is a 2 ohm equals to oh, I'm sorry for my mistake. We need to multiply by for a current source, and it would be 4.5 ampere. And if you notice here, the addition of these two values is equals to 7.5. Yes, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.